Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 12 about the long future and repeat the reading out loud. I am going to study English. You are going to learn soon. He is going to read tests with classmates. She is going to listen to audios in English tomorrow. They are going to go to the English class. We are going to practice the English language tonight. The English class is going to help me to improve next month. I am going to do homework because I am going to take a course. I am not going to cut hair next week. You are not going to cook sushi with friends right next week. He isn't going to text during English class next week. She isn't going to sing pop songs because she is traveling next year. They aren't going to go to the park at night. We aren't going to write in Spanish next Tuesday. The computer isn't going to work.